So we can see that the sample question paper, question number 36, we have a data file handling question. And there are two functions we have to write down. One is adding data in a binary file, and other is updating some of the field in that particular binary file. The binary file name is not given, but the fields names are given: employee ID, employee name, department, and salary. We are free to choose whether it is string or integer type, because it is not specifically mentioned here. But what we can do is we can keep employee ID as integer, employee name and department as a string type, and salary we can take it as an integer. Now for the first function, we have to add a few records, and we have to make sure that we add some department as IT, because in the next function we have to update the salary of the employees in the IT department to 2 lakhs. So we'll make sure that we don't give 2 lakhs also the salary. It should have been 20 lakhs CTC. Anyway, we'll make it 1,99,999, and we'll give someone a little less, 1,80,000, and then we'll update it. So the question is like this. It has 5 marks, you can see, and the first answer is this one. Okay, I have given the name as add data, and not only just showing you the code, we have to run it in the Python. I've just written the code before, because just to reduce uh, the video time recording. So what I'm doing is just copying this code, and I will paste it in Python. I'm using a very simple idle. You can see that we are using this 3513 version, and now make it full screen. I just pasted it. So this is the add data function. Now let us give an explanation for this one. This is a module which has been imported. Okay, why this module is important? This module is important because we need to store our binary file that we will be creating in a working directory. So to just go to the working directory, I need this particular operating system. Sorry, this module. So then we have the pickle module. Pickle module will be required to call the dump function that will write down a particular record in a file. Now you can see the next line is actually changing the working directory, making this directory the current working directory where all my work will be saved. I'm opening a file. The moment I write out this command, there are two parameters you can see, that is file name and other is the mode of the file. Now we are in a loop, because we may add more than one record. So we have seen that the question was telling there are 4 fields: employee ID, and I told that I will take it as an integer, name and department I will take it as a string type, and salary is something. Now this is an important line where I'm using the dump function. We know that the dump function takes 2 parameters. Okay, if I write down, you'll see that it takes object and then file. Okay, we can use protocol also. What is the object? In this case, you can see object is this one, the list object. Okay, where the list object is having the elements which are the field names, and then there will be a comma, then file where where I'm writing. I can also write down pickle.highest protocol. So write down pickle dot highest protocol. I can add this line also, but I'm just skipping for the time being. It will work perfectly without it. Okay, and then I'm asking add more. Yeah, if the answer is yes, it would add one more record. If the answer is no, it will close that file that was opened and come out. So this is my file. So to check whether it is working or not, you can call this file add data, and we try to add a few records. Employee ID I give one, employee ABC, and give the department as AP, and salary I should not give 2 lakh. I'm giving 1 lakh 80,000, add this. Employee ID 102, employee name CCA, department I can write HR, and salary I can give some. Add here yes, and adding one more record and pay. Employee name HHY, department salary then. Okay, 1 lakh 29,000, add more, I come out. Okay, so my record is actually created. Then let's see that the file that I have copied and put in this file. Now check it. Okay, I have written this function, although this function was not required, but I think that we should check it whether it has been written in the this column. Okay. It has been written in my machine. So display all actually is a function that you can see the same file that I have created in write binary mode and in the read binary, and I am loading each and every information of the file and checking whether the records are actually stored up. You must be wondering that what are these lines for after this four line, which is very clear to me now. Why I have written try and accept, because this is a record. You can see that I have written in while because I want to put all the records. So I have placed it in true, true, while true. So it will keep loading all the records. Now at one point of time, it will come and load the last record, and again it will try to click another record, go to another record and click, and that time if there are no more records, so it will give the end of that error. To catch that exception, I have pasted in try and accept end of the error, and when it comes, it will close the file and give a pass to count. I hope it is clear now. So let us run it and check whether my three records are displayed. This is a very simple exercise. Okay, so it is displayed. So you can see that these three records, and it is there. Now, what is the second question? Okay, it is updating the salary of employees in the IT department. So for that, you written this update file function. You can see. So update file function, I will explain the algorithm. Let us copy it and let's see whether it's in my machine. Remember, after update, I will actually run display all in to check whether it is working. So how this code is working. Let's see. So I hope this much is clear. Now you can see that I'm opening my old file in read code, no longer in write code, and I have opened another file. What I'm actually going to do is, as you can see that there are 80 records which should be changed to 2 lakhs, and HR records should not be changed. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm removing all the records, and if it in the department is IT, I'm changing that particular salary to 2 lakhs, and if it is not IT, I'm not doing. That is what I'm writing. So I'm writing in that I open this file in read mode and this file in write mode, where my new file will be. I hope it is absolutely clear that I'm getting another file. Okay, and what I do is ultimately I close everything, I remove this old file and rename this, and my original file will be updated. So I'm putting in a try and accept again because I'm loading the file that I'm reading in read mode, and at one point of time it will come to an end, so it will give you an error. Now while loading, I'm checking whether the department is okay. You can see that this is the third field, so the parameter the text will be 2, and I have to change the salary to 2 lakh, and that salary is index is 3 because it starts from 0. And once it is done, it is pickle.dump. What I'm dumping Z only. The Z that I have changed, and then why I'm dumping the new line. And else, nothing I'm doing. I'm not writing these two lines. I'm just simply dump. Because if it is not writing, you have to keep adding. And then I'm closing file 1 and file 2. I'm removing my old file and renaming my. That is how it is working. And Now the simply thing that I have to do is I have to call this. Let me call this file. The moment I call this file up, no output will come. Just like instruction is given. But what has happened is actually this new EMP DAP that was created within this program again renamed to EMP00.DAP and EMP00.DAP. All the records are actually now for IT department it will be 2 lakhs and 2 lakhs. So that is what I will see by this calling again, and you can see that it is now changed. Okay, it is updated, and that is what this particular function was asking for. That you have to update the certificate price in the department. That's what is a 5 marks question, and this particular video demonstrates how you can do it. You can pause the screen and you can write down the code, write in your machine. If any question, you can pass it in the comment. You check it.